Okay. Hello, everyone. My first cook video. I'm gonna cook this small little baby chicken. Got some of my ingredients right here. Gonna put it all in here. And it's a nice little baby fat one just for 2 people. Me and my husband. So I'm gonna start putting all the mix together and we'll get back to it. Hold up. Okay, so I use 1 cup of sofrito, of the tomato sofrito. Not 1 cup, 1 spoon, oh my God. 1 spoon of cilantro sofrito. I usually make my own sofrito, but I've been off of work, so I've been not doing so well. So I didn't have time to actually do my own homemade. And I'm going to use a little bit of this garlic and onion, black pepper, sea salt. I'm going to put a little turmeric because I know that's good for you. Use just a little Italian seasoning. And some dried chives. I was going to use some paprika, but nah, I changed my mind. A little oregano, a little onion mince, parsley, flakes, some black pepper, a lot of garlic because I love garlic, and some adobo, and a little of this adobo. I know it might seem like a lot of stuff, but it's going to come out banging. So I'm only going to use a little bit of everything. Oops. Sorry about the camera, but what can I say? I'm just a beginner. Only on YouTube, not on my cooking. So I'm just going to use a little bit. You see, not that much. That's it. Put it to the side. Just use a little bit of this. Everything's all going to be a little bit, just like that. Not so much. You know? So, let me get everything together. Alright, so just a little bit of pepper. Everything a little bit because it's only a small little baby chicken. Oh, sure, I never opened this one yet. So, you know what? I'm not even going to use that. Not today. Everything, just a little bit of everything, just a little bit. The most I'm going to put is the garlic. Put some of this. Just a little, so it looks good. I love a lot of parsley. I don't know why. It makes it like sticky or something. I like that. And before I did all this, I used a little bit of oil. Just a little, like just two big spoons of oil before I mixed all this. And now, I love garlic. And I know that's a lot, but garlic is my thing. A little bit of oregano. And, oh my God. That probably was a little too much, but I guess it'll be alright because it's not salty. I'm only going to put a little bit of adobo. Not too much. A little bit of the blue one. That got some flavor, but not too much either. That's it. Now I'm going to mix all this all up. Oh yeah, I forgot. Gotta use the sazon. Mix it all up. So I'm going to mix all that up together. You know, really good. Really good. Mix it all up. Okay, so I mixed everything up. It looks like this, nice and thick, you know. I'm going to put some in the inside of the chicken. Put it really good there. Just like a spoon. Put it like that. Okay. Rub it all inside. All in the inside. So the flavor goes all in there, you know. Okay. A little out here. You know, rub it down. All right. So then I'm going to use the rest of this. Well, first I'm going to flip them around. Flip you around, buddy. And rub it all down between the wings. You know? Make it look good. You see how it is. Flip them back. And then gonna put the rest of this on top. And since I put oil, it's gonna be nice and like, it should come out nice and crispy. Let's see how that goes at the end. It should come out nice and crispy. I can make it look good. Okay. Put a little more. Put the rest, actually, just put the rest over there. Let me make sure the back of this is good. Yeah. Then put the rest, or put all this in, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I put some carrots, some garlic. Of course, like I said, I love garlic. And everything is great, everything is good. Trust me, it's gonna come out banging. I'm just gonna put